In the human genome, tiny quirks can shape striking differences from subtle tastes to how efficiently the body digests lactose and handles caffeine. Rare conditions like heterochromia and synesthesia demonstrate how the brain wires senses in unexpected combinations. Coloring perception, nature offers Catatumbo lighting that periodically paints the Venezuelan sky and bioluminescent shores that glow with waves. Caves and oceans host extremophiles thriving where others perish, from acidic pools to icy deep seas. These marvels show life writing strange rules across genes, ecosystems, and skies, inviting curiosity over certainty.